When a person offers prayer and after completing prayer, he remains at the place of his prayer. As long as he remains on the place of prayer, angels are continuously praying for that person. It's mentioned in hadith of Sahih Bukhari, al-malaikatu tusalli ala ahadikum ma dama fi musallahu. Angels are asking forgiveness and merciness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for anyone who remains at the place of prayer until he remains in the state of ablution. What angels are saying? They are saying, Allahumma ghfir lahu. Oh our Lord, please forgive this person. Allahumma arhamhu. Oh our Lord, please be merciful for this person. Try to spend more and more time at the place of prayer, because angels are continuously praying for you at that time. May Allah help us to understand.